Hi guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about MailerLite, which is really nice email marketing manager. So we'll go through some pros and cons. I'll tell you more about MailerLite, and we'll compare the pricing plans. I'll tell you if it's well suited for you or not, and we can compare it with some other email marketing softwares. So let's start. MailerLite email marketing solution empowers people of all skill levels to create professional campaigns from start to finish at affordable pricing. Their intuitive drag and drop editors and templates make it easy to build newsletters, websites, landing pages, pop-ups, and more, all without coding. With MailerLite's powerful and free drag-and-drop website builder, you easily create a personalized website to share your blog or brand, connect with your audience, and grow your business using features like automation, surveys, e-commerce tools, A/B testing, segmentation, and always growing list of integrations, including WordPress, Zapier, Magento, Shopify, and more. MailerLite provides educational content like monthly webinars, tutorials, and marketing guides, along with fast 24/7 live customer support and forever free plan. And that's the greatest thing. Easily, as you can see, they are from Europe, supporting at the moment, as you can said, Ukrainian conflict. And yeah, it's made for small, medium or large businesses, even enterprises. And what's really cool about it, if you're an individual, you can use MailerLite as well. So it's not only for companies. You can run it on your mobile phone, or you can run it in your web browser, as I am doing at the moment. As you can see, you can use sign up for free, which is basically free version. You can use it for free forever option, which is up to 1,000 subscribers, but one user and 12,000 monthly emails, which is not that bad actually. It's a really generous option from them, and you don't have to pay anything. Growing business, it's $9 a month, 108 if you want to be built early, unlimited monthly emails, and 3 users, unlimited email support. For $9 a month, it's basically for free. And advanced, you have $19 a month. You can convert it into euros very easily, so it's 17 euros. And then you have growing business plus, enhanced automations, Facebook integrations, and many more. Obviously, it's gonna be more when you are up for more subscribers. And as you can see, from 185, which is 60k, you will have to go with advanced, and it goes like up to 500k. For custom pricing, if you're an enterprise, you have to contact them and get a quotation. So it's not that actually too bad of a deal, in my opinion. So let's check out the free option and how you get to it. Company or organization name. Let's go like this. Let's go with name. Let's go like this. And let's go like this, for example. And let's try to create an account. And we are in. So You don't have to wait for approval. You don't even have to confirm the email, and you are inside of MailerLite. It's really hard to pronounce. It's like MailerLite, or it should be pronounced like MailerLite. Yeah, it's kind of tricky, this one. So we can see the dashboard in here, which we see obviously they send us the email verification, which is completely normal, and we don't have to wait for it. We can just approve it, or yeah, we can get back to it anytime possible. And then they want us to complete the profile, but let's do that later. Then we have a campaigns, subscribers, but it's not moving. Why? I have to verify the email. Let's check it out. So if it's gonna go, but it's not delivered. Let's resend it and try to find if we can, yeah, MailerLite, there it is, verify email. Okay, we have it verified, and let's complete our profile. Okay. Let's go and fill out the address. Not your beeswax. Country, let's go with Slovakia. It's like GMT, it's +1, I believe. Yeah, okay, it's not UTC, but yeah. Let's go with artist, next step. Okay, campaign, next step, no. Have you used other marketing? No. Digital production? No. No. Next step. And confirm, yeah. Maybe now we can finally start, yes, with the campaign. So as you can see, it's mandatory for you to fill out the form at the beginning. That's pretty useful information in my opinion. And then we can create first campaigns. With the Legral AB, RSS, or auto resend, we have a subscribers count, where we can add more subscribers, which is pretty easy. Forms, sites, automation, and also we have an integration in here. So you can get your API here for many more options. And also featured integration, WooCommerce, Zapier. Zapier is pretty easy if you even want to use it outside of Mailer. You can just use the Zapier on zapier.com or use it like this just by pressing the Zapier, but you have to have an account. But that's super easy to create on Zapier. I would say that it would be the best option for us to create separate videos, a bit shorter one about campaigns, subscribers, and how to add more subscribers. Not just create like a one long video with timestamps. I get that it's really confusing for some of the viewers. So I'm gonna cut it here for simple beginner's guide, and I'm going to create more about subscriber based options and campaign based, how to create the campaign, subscriber count, and many more options for you to get through the MailerLite. Up until then, guys, thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see each other in the next video. So thanks for watching again, and have a great day. Goodbye.